Okay, welcome back to Advanced List Building Strategies. In this video, we're going to be talking about something a little technical, but it's going to be something necessary that you want to do. And you may know about this already. It may not necessarily fit in the advanced course. It might be something you know about, but it is a necessary part and you must do it. So we're going to go over it anyway. Your buyers will be going on to one of your lists. We already talked about that. When somebody buys, they're either going to get sent automated to your email marketing list, or you're going to make it almost irresistible for them to do so. In order for them to get updates, in order for them to get new things from you, they're going to want to sign up as soon as they get to the download page. Either one of those should put them on your buyers list. Now, you are going to want to set up a separate prospect list. You don't want to communicate with prospects in the same way that you do buyers. So if you are sending prospects to a squeeze page, people who have not bought from you, do not send them to this list, right? Send them to a separate list that you are segmenting. Now, if you're going to do that, you want to set that list up so that as soon as someone buys a product and gets sent to your buyer list, that they're automatically taken off the prospect list. And you can do that with your automation settings. Now, it goes without saying, these are two separate lists. These are two separate people. They've got two different attitudes. You need to communicate to them differently than you do your buyers. Both lists, you should be building a relationship with both of them, right? But you can do list segmentation on both Aweber and GetResponse, probably some of the other autoresponders. But basically what you're doing is you are keeping two separate lists, your buyers on one list, your prospects on the other, because you want to get your prospects to buy from you initially. You want to continue to build a relationship with your buyers so that you can continue to give them high quality information and that you can get them to buy again. Okay, so with that, you can continue to build a list on an ongoing basis. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.